In this video, let's cover long tail versus short tail SEO keywords. This is an extremely important SEO tactic and you've got to get this right. In this video, I'm going to be showing you two theoretical examples and then a live example of how this works. So the first example is, let's take a look at a keyword, business plan. When people search for the word business plan, obviously that's a competitive keyword, so it's not going to be easy for us to rank for it. So that's the short tail version of it, and the longer tail version of the same keyword is how to write a business plan. Fewer pieces of content target this longer version of this keyword, and so we'll have immediately less competition, but it's still going to be competitive. So we have an even longer version of this, which is how to write a business plan for a cleaning business, and you can have 100 different variations of this. How to write a business plan for a mobile app business, how to write a business plan for an e-commerce business. You get it, there's a ton of businesses. And the longer and more specific searches immediately narrow your competition and make it easier for you to rank. And what happens is usually you start ranking for the long tail keywords because they're less competitive. And with the same piece of content, you're able to target also the short tail keywords. So you target both. With one piece of content, targets both. Long tail and short tail. We'll be going over that. But the takeaway is that first, you got to rank for the long tail keywords. And that's going to give you all kinds of engagement metrics, and that's going to actually help you rank for the shorter tail keywords. And of course, this is similar in different search engines, whether you're targeting Google or YouTube or even Amazon or wherever else. The only difference is that different search engines, they have different levels of competition for different keywords. So you have to research what the competition is like for the search engine that you are trying to rank on. So let's look at another example. Now, another competitive keyword, this will be Facebook marketing. So let's say you're trying to rank for the keyword Facebook marketing, very, very difficult. So the longer version of this is Facebook marketing for business. That's immediately easier to rank for. And the easier way to do this is Facebook marketing for a cleaning business. And another way to change things up is how to promote a business on Facebook. You see, so there's different ways to go long tail on these keywords. Another example is Facebook marketing for a cleaning business with a Facebook page. You see how I added the Facebook page there. That makes it even easier. The only challenge is at some point when you get so long tail, there's just not that many people searching for it, but that's actually possibly more traffic than you'd get if you were to target the short tail keyword, which is just Facebook marketing, if you aren't able to rank for it. Because if you aren't able to rank for the short version of the keyword, you're going to get traffic of 0, right? So even a small amount of traffic is actually better than nothing. So let's look at a live example of the situation. Here I have a very old video of mine. You can see it's from ages and ages ago, 2014. It's had some success, 60,000 views. Look at what we're doing with the title. Of course, I'm targeting the keyword Facebook marketing. At one point when it came out, it ranked for the keyword Facebook marketing. But that's not all I'm targeting. I'm targeting Facebook marketing strategies, and I'm targeting how to promote a business on Facebook. You see that? So I'm targeting a number of keywords. I could also, in the description, have been targeting keywords like Facebook marketing for a coffee shop, Facebook marketing for a mobile app, but I'm not doing that in this particular video, but I could have. So I could have gone very long tail on this. One of the strengths of this video was that it was getting views from all these different searches. How to promote a business on Facebook, Facebook marketing strategies. And because views are a ranking signal, I was getting more views than competitors because I was targeting multiple keywords in one video, in one title. That was a ranking signal that helped me stay up in the rankings, because the video itself, you can see the quality is not very good, the audio is not great, and by now it should stop getting views because it's from 2014 and so many better videos have come out since then. And I just wasn't good at that time creating videos. But let me show you the lifetime analytics for this video. This is the analytics since 2015 approximately. So it's not the lifetime, but it's just about the lifetime. You see, when I started promoting it, it was going up, 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 up. It reached some peak, and then over the years it's declining, but it never fully died because it's still ranking for the long tail keywords. Around this time, it was ranking for the keyword Facebook marketing, but obviously a lot of videos surpassed it. It just took time. But let me show you how it appears in the searches. When I search Facebook marketing for business, I'm going to press search. This video comes up. I don't know where it's going to come up for you because obviously I watched that it comes up, but it's still near somewhere around the top, which is crazy. Of course, it doesn't rank for Facebook marketing. So what I want to show you is in recent times what the views are like. Obviously they decline, but let's look at the source of the views. When we click on traffic source, we can see YouTube search. We can click that, and we can still see that it's getting a little bit of traffic for this, how to use Facebook for business marketing, a little bit of that. So even long term, if your piece of content is completely surpassed by other content in search rankings, you'll still get a little bit of traffic through this. And what I'll do is I'll actually do a custom search so you can see, what if I do 2015 and we'll apply, and we'll see where the traffic used to come from. It used to come from all these Facebook marketing for business, Facebook marketing, Facebook for business. You see all those keywords and all those variations of them is what actually made this video get all those views and stay up in the rankings as long as it did. So that's how you use a combination of short tail and long tail keywords in one piece of content, whether it's a page on your website, whether it's an Amazon product, whether it's a YouTube video, whatever search engine you're targeting. This is the ideal way to use long and short tail keywords.